This is a 3-scoop order for Kim. She likes Pochacco and Snoopy. Her favorite colors are blue and yellow. She doesn't want any hair accessories. Keep an eye out for new licensed items. We received a shipment from Korea. 1 canvas bag. 1 file folder. This is a new item. Plus 1 more. 2 notebooks. This second design just arrived. Plus 1 more. 1 highlighter. 2 mechanical pencils. 1 more. 2 pens. 3 more. 4 mini notebooks. 2 more. I love these new mini notebooks. They feel kind of large and in charge. 2 erasers. This is one of our new ones. 1 more. 1 clear pouch. This is also a new item. 1 more. 1 memo pad. 2 more. 4 sticky notes. 4 more. 5 scenery stickers. 2 more. 2 bookmarks. This is a new blind item that came in our latest shipment. 2 more. 2 plush keychains. 1 more. 2 plush pencil bags. 1 more. 1 eye mask. 2 hand towels. 1 keychain. 1 more. 1 beaded charm, plus 1 more, three washi tapes, plus 1 more, and 2 stickers. 2 plush charms, plus 1 more, 1 wallet. I exchanged it for our new licensed passport holder. 1 coin purse. This is our new licensed plush coin purse. So cute. 3 squishies. Look at our new Miffy squishies. They are so cute. Plus 1 more. 2 mini charms, plus 2 more, 2 pin badges, plus 2 more, let's exchange these 5 hair accessory beads to 1 mouse pad, 2 card holders, 1 pencil case, and 1 bricks, 3 acrylic clips, but let's make it 8. Okay, Kim, that's everything for your order. I really hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.